Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your Etisalat SIM card details in 2026. So if your Emirates ID is renewed or your personal information has changed, this update is very important to avoid the service restrictions. So here is how you can do it very easily. So first of all, you need to open your Etisalat application on your phone. If you haven't already downloaded it yet, you can just simply open your Google Play Store or App Store. From here, you can search for E and UAE application. Then you can install or download it in your device very easily. So when you open the app, when you are inside, you just have to simply log in into your account. After logging in, go to your profile settings and look for the option of update Emirates ID. Most probably when you log in on the home page itself, you are going to see the option of either update Emirates ID or update your personal details or KYC update. So when you see that prompt, simply just tap on it. This way you will be redirected on the next page or on the SIM registration page. If your Emirates ID was renewed, you just have to simply upload a clear photo of your new Emirates ID. Just make sure that the image is not blurry and all the details are visible. Some of the screens may ask for both front and the back sides. Now, if you are updating other details like the name, information correction, you just have to enter the new details exactly as they appear on your Emirates ID. Even small spelling differences can cause the rejection. After uploading and reviewing everything, simply tap on the option of submit. In most of the cases, the approval is very quick. You will receive confirmation by the SMS. So if the app doesn't show the update option or the upload fails, you can use the second method with the help of the Etisalat website. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.